Hey guys, this is Balu from Balu Prime and once again welcome you all back for an exciting tutorial. In this short and quick tutorial, let us see how we can add reflections in Element 3D. So without any further ado, let us start this. So here you can see I have already set up a scene with an element layer and a camera layer. So now let us see how we can add reflections. So for that, let me select this element layer. You can say I have applied this element plugin already to this element layer. So let's click on the scene setup. So here you can see I have this character which I have downloaded from Mixamo, and it also has got some animation onto that. That's fine. Okay, first let us create some plane here. So let me go to this create and let me create this plane. Let me increase this size x to 25 and size y to 25. Okay, now let me apply some material. So come to this physical, let me apply this chrome onto that. So currently you can see it is just reflecting the environment. So let us see the environment and let me change this environment to something like blurry. So let me go to this viewer and let me apply this blurred objects. Yep. So here you can see I got this plane model here. Now let me create another. So press R on the keyboard. So let me extend like this and increase scaling, press W and move it backward here, and also apply same chrome material. Okay, so currently you can see there are no reflections in this scene. So in order to add reflections, we need to select the plane object because we are willing to add reflections onto this plane surface. So let me select this plane model. So click on this reflect mode and in mode change that to mirror. So as I have changed this mode to mirror surface, you can see we got our character reflection here. So suppose if we want to add some blurriness to this reflections, we can do that by selecting this chrome material, scroll down to basic settings, and you can see that glossiness is set to 100%. If you reduce this glossiness percentage, you can see our reflections is getting some blur effect. So if we keep this to 100%, there is no blur added to that. So if we reduce this glossiness, we can see there is some blurriness added to it. So let me reduce this to 75. Okay. So now let me see. Okay. So here you can see we got reflection onto this plane model of our 3D character. So in this way we can add reflections to our scene in Element 3D. So I hope you guys have learned something new from this short tutorial. So if you have learned anything new, please like, share and subscribe my channel to support me. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye.